Hello lovelies, you're welcome back to MJ's Creativity. I trust you have gotten your material or you're already working on this beautiful Alina Fascinator. So if you can remember, this is where we've gotten to in the part 1 of the video, trying to tag the fascinator onto the band. So what I'm doing here is just to be very sure that the fascinator is firm on the band. And don't forget, the diameter of my fishing line is 0.35 mm. 0.35 mm. That's the fishing line if you are using fishing line, but if you are using thread, make sure you use the same color of the net you're working on. So I'm done here. I'm okay with what I have. I just cut the needle off and try to tag, to knot it again, to be double and triple sure. So cutting off the excess, so it is firm, no issue, everything is okay now. So the next thing, you can see even without the decoration, the fascinator is giving, as in it is giving rich auntie vibe. It is giving what it's supposed to give. So here we need to cover where the fishing line is showing that middle side. We need to cover it and make it look neat and beautiful. So the trimmings that I'm using is 1/4 inch shiny trimming. That's what I used to wrap the Harley's band also. So what I just did now is to put my UHU gum at the back inside the Harley's band. Just watch what I'm doing inside it. When you put the UHU gum, just allow it to dry a bit, or you use your hand to hold it. You can see I use my hand to hold it, then wrap it around where we have the tagging. You see, I have wrapped it and it is neat and beautiful. Don't forget that neatness is very important. Neat and beautiful. So I have cut off the excess trimming now. The last part, I apply the UHU gum, then allow it to dry and gum it to the band. We are good to go. So what I will do now is to design the fascinator with this long feather so that it can be more beautiful. It can bring more beauty to the fascinator. So I just want to quickly show us how I achieved this feather. So I have this long full feather. So what I just did is to trim off the feather from down to up to remain just little at the tip. That's how I achieve this feather design that I'm using. So you can buy it like this from market, but in case you have something like what I have, that's what you will just do. So you put your gum at the tip of the feather, then locate different places that you will put it. You can check the places that you will put it first before you apply gum to it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial. We are coming to the end of the Alina Fascinator. Please let's try and practice and do our own design. You can do any color of your choice, and don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share to your loved ones. Let them also enjoy what you are enjoying on this page. So I'm still working on decorating the fascinator with the feather. So you just do what you like here. You can use rose, you can use stone, you can just play around with the design. Just be creative about it and bring out something even more beautiful than what I have done here, than what I have showed us here. So just do your own style and make it beautiful. Make it beautiful. You can see this fascinator is so lovely. So lovely. I really love it. It's so lovely. And so please don't forget, subscribe to encourage us. And you can also give us super thanks, super sticker. You can show us. So see the fascinator on our model now. You can see it's so lovely. You can wear it on any dress, on any beautiful dress. You can wear this fascinator. This is it. And another good thing about this fascinator is it does not have front and back. Thank you for watching.